guys, today I was bored and then I suddenly found out that I had an empty matchstick and I was scrolling. I saw this YouTube short, like it was so good. I'm gonna try it. Instead of that earphone holder, you can make it any holder, okay? So first all you need is a white paper. You don't need the whole thing. So white paper, glue, scissors, and the most important thing, matchstick. Okay. So first cut like until here. Or no, measure how much it is. So maybe keep a pen or pencil near you, so you can measure how much we need it. Okay, for me, I need till this much. You can see that I marked it. Okay, now cutting time, my favorite part. Come on, let's cut. Yeah, almost done. Done. I cut it. So now I have to glue it here. Okay. We have to mark it again. I don't know what I'm blocking, okay? Maybe Telugu people know that Sankranti Vastanam thingy. Yeah, that song. Kodari Gattu Meeda Ramashilkave. That next song's like my favorite. Even the blockbuster Pongala. So we have to stick it like right over here, like this. So glue time. Up. Yeah, this thing's over. How dumb. Shit, I'm just breaking this. Do not break your only chance. Whenever I say that, only it breaks. Such dumb girl. Sorry, I'm just addicted. But now because I get it down. Oh yeah, I have to get a very stick. Giant. Oh shit. But the stick. So maybe I'll glue the paper first. My parents are watching a movie, sorry. Okay, I should have glued to my finger. Oh shit. Okay, whatever. Now we are gonna stick it. People who went to the movie know the affection to it. That's my first movie in 2005. I even danced to it. You guys saw, remember? I don't think you saw. Some of you might have not seen. There you go. First part. You have to even cover the sides and the side also. So we got a lot of work to do. But not too much work to do. Sorry for the interruption, guys. My parents are watching a movie. Did any of that? how many, please guys, if you like this or if you're trying to do this, comment in the comment a heart. I don't know what else to say, but comment a heart. Like this. Shoot is coming off. I don't really know what that Dira. Okay, there's a guy in my apartment called Dheeraj. He's in my school also. Which school are you guys? Yeah, comment which school you are. Or else just comment anything. Because that kind of means like probably I'm gonna kidnap you, but I won't. This is not a joke. I will never ever kidnap. Which side did I put you? Oh yeah, this side. Which moon do you like the most? I like full moon. Full moon's the best. Yeah, this side should be covered. Yeah, this side is not really covered. And I should I remove this stuff? But I don't know how to. My brother knows. Can he? Can he not? Bollywood, Hollywood. Can I decide? Sure, I think I cut it the wrong amount, but so you should also measure for this and this are obviously same, but measure and then this was. So basically, I cut it. See. It is actually turning out good. I didn't do it in practice. I'm not lying. Look at that. Now we have to cover this and then voila. Krishasha. Perfect yasha. My way of saying perfect yasha. Yeah, they're watching Kalki. You might have already guessed it. Come on, don't fall. Okay, see, making it stand. Why is it so itchy here? Okay. Ari terraces. I'm gonna tell you my school because I kind of believe in you guys. But anyways, I won't fall for the trick of kidnapping or something. I might. If you talk about, stationery stickers. Those stuff are like my weakness. I can actually sing that song. Hey, Godari Kattumida Ramashilkave. Wait, did it also release in other languages? So probably not only Telugu people would be knowing it. Niratam Agni Devati Varama. What type of dialogue when you start? I went to theater and watched it, okay? Because Sunday, one day before, okay? I had to wake up till 12. We went there at 1 o'clock. And then at the last part, which people are saying is the best part, I fell asleep. I fell asleep. How can I? Why am I so dumb? Oh my OMG, so dumb. It's not dumb. It's so good. I should have done this before. Done. Done. Okay, now take this thing. Put it inside. Voila. Now just take a pen. Yeah, I do have a black sketch pen. Let me go get my pouch. Just 1 sec. Here you go. This tip is open. Okay, no, it's not. Now take out your black sketch. Okay. Draw the eyes and the mouth. Oh, isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, it's turning out really cute. It is so cute. I'm in love. Now with the blue pen, that's right. Necklace holder. Jewelry holder. Jewelry. I am done. I am gone, kids. Look at that. How cute is that? Okay, guys, it's so cute. Hope you try this. And if you do, and it comes out exactly like this, comment. Goodbye. Love you. See you soon.